Play. Play.
In our group report, today, hindi siya matawag group. Chapter 9 report is about employee relation in a non-unionized environment. So, from the word non-unionized, it means kung siya, dili siya organized bitaw. Organized siya pero sa kung ang ilahang pagbuot naa sa usa ka tawo. So kuhay siya sa unionized kay ang unionized workplace siya nga that decide ang mag-decide sila about sa policy together sa iyang mga kauban, while sa non-unionized kay ang owner maka-decide sa mga palisiya nila. May ko na ko ana. Pero among topic karon is about non-unionized. So from this previous chapter, the Constitution and the Labor Code promote and encourage the right of employees both in the public and private sectors to organize under democratic regime. So nani siya ikuan law about aning topic. Concomitant with this right of workers not to organize or join unions, out of 32 million workers in the country, only 3.5 million or 11% are union members. So why is this so? Ngano magha? Because 99% of business in the private sector or private sector belong to small and medium-sized industries, and union organizers are attracted only to the 1% of business that have the resources to meet the economic demands of unions.
Oh.
So sa 32 milyones ka mga trabante, ang nahimog union is 3.5 million ra. So ang katong nabilin is kwanto siya mga non-unionized siya nga dili sila organized kayo ba nga pagka membro. So yun, ikaw ani dong.
So, please proceed to union membership decline. Statistic of the International Labor Organization indicate a worldwide decline in union members in membership had its peaks at 35% of employment in 1950s. So first, decline of manufacturing and migration of workers from manufacturing, where there is a back of union membership to the service sector. Second is stiffer competition due to globalized economy, product market pressures, companies to be more productive as well as cost and quality conscious. So, kuan ko no, sa dito sa kanang International Labor Organization, decline lang union in membership. Ang ilang pagkanang decline ang ilang pagkanang, so ang union kay gitawag man siya kanang kuano union kay union kay gitawag siya dili pwede ka makabuot. For example, din ang membro ra ka makabuot ka sa police, di ba? So sa membership in United States, kanang mga union members o union membership kay 35% of employment in pagka 1950s. More to din decline manufacturing emission workers. Dadong ikaw man dadong explain dong.
Kuan sila kanang sa tinagalog ba mututol sila about ani nga membership kay simpre masuklan sila ang mga trabante. So decline manufacturing, so sabotable kay decline is kanang canceled baron or bisag unsa nga mga defect about sa ilahang kuan company. Stiffer competition, from the word stiffer kay kuan siya kanang murag hard or kanang lisod siya ba lisod stiffer kay competition due to globalized economy. So, next page. Militancy and leftist ideology of some union that promote continuous class struggle between the capitalists and workers. So, militancy kung means using kanang violence or aggressiveness nga pamaagi nila para makabalibad yun ang makabalibad ang mga workers. So, why the workers unionize? So, kato ganina non-unionize, karon is unionize. Ngano man kaha? Unions arise as a reaction to non-competitive wages and benefits, poor working condition, ineffective supervision, poorly defined job content, poor communication channels, lack of job security, and failure of management to provide equitable mechanism resolving grievance. So, mo din ni siya ikuan, mo ni siya hinungdan nganong ang tao magkahiusa tungod kay kuan ganang way klarong sweldo, way klarong benefits kanang mga is pag-ibig nya poor working condition, ineffective supervision kanang way klaro nga pagdala ba, poorly defined job content. So mo din ni siya mo arise ang usa ka unionized membership para mo kuan sila mo sukol sila right against the owner. So diha siya matawag og unionized. However, that no matter how productive the employers is in meeting employee needs, employees still choose to organize themselves into union because of strong pakikisama, feeling of waiting to belong. So mo to siya sabot. So on the other hand, dynamic company that has a well-pronounced policy on union avoidance, offering most of the thing that union can offer, can serve as the countervailing force to kikisama culture of Filipino workers. So mga na to unionize. So union issue kani nga issue nindot ni siya kay high wages and better benefits, job security and seniority in promotion and other personal movements, fair treatment by supervisor and manager, improve working condition, voice and participation and decision making process of company, setting up grievances machinery that will address employee complaints with justice and fairness. Mo siya ikuan naka-advantage siya union ba. So difference between union avoidance and anti-union policy. So many companies, were big, medium size or small, adopt an active written or unwritten policy on union avoidance. So sa ako ang kuan about sa ako mga na search is union avoidance is a method or kanang pamaagi ba method is a method companies use to keep kanang unions of their establishment or keep unions of their establishment or mo kuan siya ba union avoidance i-discourage niya ba i-discourage union avoidance, while ang anti-union policy kay opposite siya to trade union or kuan i-convince sa niya anti-union policy. So here's some example of anti-union statement or posture. Here's some example. There will be no pay increase because the union is around. Anti-union siya. There will be no pay increase because the union is around. Don't sign the membership card union at a would-be bittered. So So ang diri pasabutan ning kuan, there will be no pay increase because the union is around. Di sila di sila increasean sa ilahang kuan sweldo because kay so kanang di sila ganahan about aning union union membership. Then don't sign the membership card union, so ilang i-convince apuros ni siya mga kuan, mga bati nga kuan about sa union. Kay ang union avoidance kanang i-discourage kaniya, while ang anti-union policy is i-convince kaniya nga ma-discourage na ba. Representative, we will close this plant or business of if a union is organized. So diri ilahang mo hatag sila kuan ba kanang unang istorya nga ilang sirada ng negosyo kay naagi union, i-arise ang union. Seeking a union representative is useless because it will not result in any improvement of employment condition here. We will fire the organizer or transfer them to our branch in Basilan, or asking employees is it true that you signed a petition for union organization. So balikan na to ang difference between, so di ka siya lagyo og diferensya. So para sa ako lang sa para ni siya dili inani, dapat ikaw manager, supervisor, di mo pasagdaan imong mga tao aron di siya mohantong sa inani ba nga di ka ganahan og unionize ang imong mga kuan, masuklan maka. So dapat ikaw maninguha kada sa di pa nimo haabot, nimuha ng paninguhaon nga di ka masipyat sa imong mga lihok as a manager or supervisor or bisan sa foreman ba or contractor. Then ikaw dong, reason for resistance.
So, reasons for resistance to unionism: maintain freedom to utilize and manage its resources. So, first kay maintain, from the word maintain, kanang pirmi nimo ang ipatibabaw nimo ang kanang hapsay og kana sa inyong kuan ba company. Next dong.
Reason for resistance.
So, mo na number one reasons.
Mga hinung
Oh. Mo to mga hinungdan, first
Avoid.
hinungdan. Second kay avoid unnecessary cost in time and money. This sustain it business and competitive postures. So mga kanang kuan, mga
dili kinahanglan ba no? Dili kinahanglanon ba, unnecessary, dili needed.
Tinuod mga kanang mga oras ba and sa mga kwarta sa So ikatulo kay maintain an unconventional employer or employee relations. So imong gyapon i-maintain something dong conventional employers.
Kaning non-confrontational is kanang maglikay ka ba sa away na ba? Non-confrontational employer.
So mo gyapon na
hapsay ra gid.
So mo to gingon nga maintain gyapon from freedom and peace. So fourth is avoid costly strikes, other forms of workshops, slowdowns and sabotage. Sabotage.
Sa paglikay gyapon siya sa mga kuan kanang mga costly kanang mahalo na kay ba na nga mo strike siya nimo, abot gyapon ka na or work stoppages na dili madayon imong trabaho kay lagi mahal na kayo imong nagasto, dako nagasto. Slowdowns and sabotage kanang kuan, mga sabotahe. So next kanang maintain dong.
So let's proceed to maintain freedom to utilize and manage resources. Employers normally want a wider latitude in the exercise of its management prerogatives. While this is prerogative are on several occasions upheld the Supreme Court, they are not absolute and must be used to prudently
prudently
di maklaro bito gagmayo bito so as not to do
cir-
certificate workers
circumscribe
freedom of association,
freedom of association,
especially when the Constitution provides under Act
provides under Article 12,
oh,
Section 3 on labor that the labor shall participate in policy and decision-making processes affecting their rights and benefits as may be provided by law. So, nasa iko ano, nasa article ng mga employee. And ako lang, in some cases, management is left with little control over individual pay rates and rate of pay increase regardless of performance. The desire of management to give premium pay to high achiever. Happily, there are already some not able that provide pay for performance. So, kasabutan niya is manage is left with little control over individual pay rates when in rate to pay increase regardless of performance. So, nakabase ang paghatag sa imuhang sweldo or kuan naka depende depende sa imong performance or imong attitude ba kanang ibutang ta welder nindot ka gagi syempre dako kag sweldo pati ka gagi na ka sweldo pero lahi ra kuan dili ka level sa nindot. Then selection for promotion based on seniority throttles management choice in placing and upgrading people in the most advantage and effective way. One of the most aggravating and frustrating aspects of managing with union representation is a juridical task assignment in which employee when asked to perform another job by the supervisor. One of the most aggravating, frustrating. So, managing with union. So, lisod gid siya kay as a manager or supervisor once ma-unionize na ang mga tao sa imong sud sa imong industry is ug lisod na ug unsay decision nimo pwede na nila pangkaon kanang mo against sila ba mo ana ba ka nga kuan kanang wa tay trabaho ron kay nay naguba so nabagin na mo ana na sila nga ay di ayo na to nay makaayo aron maka-continue tong trabaho na isod na kayo nimo pag control wa kay unionize naman. So arita sa kuan avoidance means paglikay unnecessary cost in time and money sustain business and position mo ni siya nga ato sa ibak kuan mo ni siya diri sa kuan asa ba to ba avoidance kanay avoidance costly strike other performance work avoid cost mo holiday avoid unnecessary day avoid unnecessary kani may ka naguna sa ikatulo unnecessary cost in time and money sustain business and competitive position. While no empirical data has been gathered that would indicate that in the Philippines it is more expensive to operate in a unionized company. So wala kunoy nakapamatuod nga ang Pilipinas is mo'y pinaka expensive nga naay dako kayo nga unionized company. So wala pay nakapamatuod. So base na aday there is a general consensus among employer that labor cost generally rise with union representation. Labor cost kung siya mo arise siya if unionize ang mga employee. This act may be one of these companies' primitive strategies for maintaining a non-union status. So, for instance, recently one major unionized bank that acquired another leading but non-unionized bank had difficulty in absorbing the employees of the latter simplify because they receive comparatively higher pay and better benefits. So, for instance, a major unionized bank acquired a leading but non-unionized bank had difficulty. So, ang dili unionized nga bangko, maglisod siya about absorbing the employees of latter because they receive comparatively higher with pay and so mas pabor to sa unionized no kay kon siya acquired and leading. So plans next page, maintain non-confrontational employee relation. Kato ni siyang kuan, non-confrontational is kanang mga likayan ba, di ka mag gusto gubot. There are unionized companies, unionized ka kana together that are paragons of enlightened labor management realization, not married by contentious and emotional laden industries dispute. A good number of them are still hamstrung by adversarial relation by fault of management labor, but that the attitude is the system nurtured by the perception that both sides are militant and jealous the right and prerogatives of both, but with active resistance by the other. Avoid costly strike and other stoppages, slow down on sabotage. Strike are weapon of last resort by the union, and it exact a heavily toll on the business in terms of production and sales, lost opportunity and negative image to the company. In long drawn out strikes where position hold up and job investments are lost, there have been operation to the other countries because of costly strikes experienced in the Philippines. So, kanang tawag na to kuan, kanang sa nga nanay, bankrupt, nana ba? Na bankrupt. Natod kay bangko, pero waka kay bawo sa mga trabante nga sikuyon ra gyapon mo kon ba mga puhunan mo file na kag bankruptcy kay aron di na gid mahurot imong kwarta ba na ay mabilin or so ba then union avoidance kadong
Saan dong ba? Hanapin na daw?
yuhu.
Sa
So there is no magic formula to avoid unions. Membership, however, be useful to examine key strategic approaches adopted by some organized companies and industries that have helped them avoid the problems of unionism. So dagag pamaaging paglikay ani. Una, some of these are the following: management commitment, trading delicate balance to not run afoul of law and a constitution which encourages unionism, and a company sub is commitment to non-unionism management ng nakay baruganan as a manager, nakay target karong adlaw sa buhaton ng commitment pa. Then rigid recruitment and selection process. So, the personal value system or ideological learnings of candidates who have studied in school known of further cause-oriented or militant organizations scrupulously check the background of people with high socialistic tendencies are screened rigidly and counter-checked and with our school neighborhood past employee before hiring decision is made. So, if mag-eskwela ka pa lang, nindot kag background sa pagtay sa ato ang sa moang course electrical, mag-eskwela ka pa lang, orient pa nga na kay attitude, knowledge, skills. So, paana, umot na kay ka sa tawag na to ka ng selection process ba, murag di na ka mabiya ba. Then meeting
Ako na dong, be. Ako na dong.
people's needs,
Ako na dong, be.
an organization or its manager. Oh, meeting people needs.
So, meeting people's needs.
Oh, sige.
An organization to its manager cannot meet all people's needs all the time. At best, they can expect to meet the majority of the people needs most of the time. In this guys, company's management is sharp in organizing the fundamental needs of its people and responsive to the needs of different people with a different value system. So, meeting people's needs. Sa'yo na mag-isabtuno ka. Kung sa mga panginahanglan sa tao kay mahatag. So, sa organization, as a manager, kay kanang ang mga kinahanglan sa tao kay importante gikaayo gid. So, mo to kanang mga members nimo or mga workers kay mag-expect gid sila nga kanang mahatag nila mo ilang panginahanglan. For example, in the company kay mga gamit ba. So next slide. Effective communication. Effective channels of communication adopted by non-unionized companies aside from the bulletin board, newsletter, employee handbooks, as well as personal greetings during birthday and other special occasions are regularly weekly or monthly dialogues. So, effective communication kay sa communication to adapt kanang by to non-unionized companies sa kanang nasa gisuwat sa bulletin board ba, for example sa mga newsletter, handbooks, sa personal greeting during birthdays, mga ingana. So next kay supervisor training. Recognizing that supervisors can make or unmake their companies train people continuously on how to be effective supervisors of people. Supervisor work, distribute work, allocate overtime, recommend promotion, demonstration, and salary increases, and implement disciplinary action. So, as a supervisor, kay moagi ginisag ka ng mga daghang training before sa mahimong supervisor. So, mga ganang, for example, mga as a supervisor, kay sila maghatag sa imong buhatonon, hatag ko ng overtime baka or dili sila sa magkuha sa imong mga promotion, sila mo ila ka patasan kayo mo yung level. May kay trabaho ba sa ato pa kanang sa patmagi kag lang training ba magiging importante ana sa supervisor ya yung sang kuan as a supervisor kay mga sweldo niyo kay patasan nila ug may kag-agi ana ug usasad ang importante sa tanan kay kanang mga pagdisiplina gid mo ganay mga importante kay sa atong company sa atong kanang trabahoan ba. So let's proceed to effective compliance machinery. Aside from the good communication system, one common character found in the companies that have successfully adopted a non-unionized environment is an effective compliance machinery that address grievance of employees. A company does not need provides a satisfactory avenue for the resolution of employee complaints is like a steam boiler without a release valve. So imo ni dre dong effective complaints machinery.
So effective complaints machinery is kuan kanang like kaning sa gikon sa kinalasan na company that does not provide satisfactory avenue for the resolution of employee complaints like a steam boiler without a release valve. So kuan ni siya sa about ni siya sa kanang mga unionized company nga dili sila effective kayo kuan mga makina kay to mga murag maurong-urong lang trabaho ba walay pakibana ang mga kuan iba na ang managerial o supervisory kay munang mo kuan gyud ang mga tao. Then companies should make the effort to publish, disseminate, and explain decision resolving complaints grievances. The exercise is not to win argument but to promote employee goodwill. So, o sila nagpasabot nga ilang argument ilang pag istorya ba dili sa pagpadaog sa ilahang side kundi kayuhan ra gud kuno sa kuan mga trabante. Supervisor are trained not to resent a decision in favor of an employee and in credence that top management has a judicious and balanced view both sides. So as a supervisor or manager dili sa tanang higayon nga imong paminaw is perfecto ka nagkuhan gyapon ka na nag-learn gyapon ka na nga time nga day ug unsay komento sa imong employee di nimo baliwalaon imong paminawon inyong sabutan ba basig makadagdag sa imong mapuno sa imong mga naibawan nga na mao pa ay mo naon din siya dili baya sa tanang panahon ikay kinamayuhan sa imong trabante na bay na ning sweldo lag minimum nya experiencado na kayo kay ba to sis kuan ana kay daghang nahibawan nga wala niya nasad siya daghang nahibawan nga wala sa nimo so mo nang magkuan mo sabot-sabot ra mo ba. Then a goodwill complaints machinery will provide an outlet for pent up employee frustration provide an outlet for pent up settles dispute at an early date at the lowest level, formalize dispute so that everyone recognize the real issues. A good of conduct and goes next. Training and development. So training programs are needed to quality workers, higher responsibility, multi-skill assignments. They also provide hard evidence to employees that manager is interested in helping them improve the status. Training and development. So sa to ang kwandong sa ato ang electrical is kanang tawgon og kwan ba? Na while nag-training ta nag-develop sa atong skill. Then company early warning system. Companies that adopt a non-union policy are very sensitive at any signs of agitation and unusual occurrences and institute immediately remedial action. Company early warning signs kanang kuan ba na imo pindot niyo ba nga kana mo di na siya di ay ana kibaw na ko ana kuan mo ni sayop. So this early warning system scans the environment and tries to spot the following warning signs: significant increase in the number of complaints, grievances. bawaan nimo employees informal groupings include individual normally associating with each other, increasing number of policy inquiries on pay, benefits, and discipline. Employees gather in work areas they do not normally visit. Argumentative question asking meetings, exit. Mga ano siya ba, mga dapat nimong bawaan. Mara to. Mara to dong.
Oh. Oh, sige, Marto, thank you so much. Sir, Marto, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wala. Tuog na ta.
Ay, sa nga.